Welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the House of Zwide from the 2nd to the 6th of June 2025 on Monday. Thato faces Mapula's sudden attempt to reconnect, while Neo proposes to honor despite a possible pregnancy on Tuesday. Thato agrees to reconcile with Mapula but stand firm on his sexuality. Though she seems changed, she had discomfort around Les in private prayer to Thato's salvation reveal lingering homophobia on Wednesday. Thato and Mapula try to reconnect through Bible study, with Thato setting boundaries on his sexuality. Mapula later confides in Prophet Ezekiel about her concern on Thursday. Maria and Mampo clash over Mapula's approach, with Mampo warning Thato not to compromise. Les urges patience on Friday. Mapula judges Mampo for staying with Soka, but Mampo shrugs it off. Thato bond with Mapula while Mampo stand wary. Mapula thanks Maria but avoid her their own tension. Well, guys, that's all